So I decided to put a pellet stove in, using electricity to heat hot water, to heat the bus over the winter. It's just way too expensive. Um, I when it was cold, mind you, it got down to -30, but still, it was just under $500 a month. So, that's too much. So I bought this pellet stove. From what calculations I've done, it should be about 30% cheaper when it's really cold, and it's big enough, has enough BTU to should heat the whole bus by itself without needing the electric. And if the electric, the furnace hot water system needs to kick in, the odd time or whatever, well, or if it goes out when I'm not here, or whatever, well, it'll just take over. But it should cut the cost down substantially. But however, I as usual forgot to start filming this right from the beginning. So partway through here, I'm just putting I've got the whole cut insulation out. I'm only going to use half of this thimble. I'm not going to put the other half on the outside. That's going to look stupid. I have a polished stainless steel vent cover coming. It's got a screen and everything in it to keep critters out. So as soon as that gets here, I'll put that on the outside. But for now, I'm just going to use this part of the thimble on the inside, and I'll just cut the pipe flush with the outside of the aluminum there, and go from there. It's not the if you look at all the instructions, that's not the way they say to do it. They should have a chimney, or some vertical on it as well, but I see a lot of people doing it without that, and you can't really do that on a bus, so it looks stupid. So I don't want to have a chimney going through the roof. It's in the slide out, that wouldn't even work. So I think this will work just fine, and it'll because they're all forced air fed. They have a fan to blow the combustion air through it, so it's not like it needs a draft like a wood stove does. There's the air intake, so I have to vent that outside, and then there's the exhaust there. So it should be fine. It works same as a propane furnace or whatever. It pulls outside air for combustion, and so there is no reason that it shouldn't work just like a propane stove in that regard. So anyways, I'll video this a little bit as I finish the installation on it, and go from there. So giddy up. All right, so I got the thimble all in, and siliconed, high temperature silicone up to the outer skin. That was a bit of a chore, but got it. Now I'll just slide the stove into position. And I scratched the heck out of my floor. Nice. So I got cardboard under it here. I was trying to, lift it, not slide it, but weighs 130 pounds, so I guess I wasn't lifting it good enough or everywhere. So anyways, have to deal with that. Alright, well, there's the first burn of the stove. All seems to be working good. Not too bad. Now I get to clean up my mess. Here's just as a side note, here's the bathroom vanity we're putting on the oh, there goes the smoke alarm. Said there'd be some oil and that kind of thing burning off to start with, so I guess that's what that is. Yeah, anyways. So, as I was saying, that's going to replace the vanity at Mom and Dad's fifth wheel with that. It's a piece of the same countertop. It's the leftover piece that I had. And so anyways, we're going to put that in their bathroom. Get rid of the here it goes again. Get rid of the one that's in there. Anyways, I guess I better go. So the smoke detector seems to have settled down. I guess it burnt all the oil and whatnot off the heat exchanger, so all seems to be going good. Cleanup time. So it's a couple of days after I got this pellet stove working. They're installed, working good. Not too many motorhomes. You can sit around, drink rum in front of a fire, and contemplate life. Still have to clean up my mess.